Welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you've ever wanted to change the language in your Telegram app on an Android device, but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to switch Telegram's interface language quickly and easily using the built-in settings. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Second, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Then scroll down the settings list until you find Language and tap on it. After that, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose any language you prefer by tapping on it. Finally, the app will instantly switch to the selected language and all menus will update accordingly. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the language in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.